Alright guys, this is an HT Supply brand ceiling fan. I put this up at my friend's house. He's selling his house and he wanted some different fans up. There was originally a Harbor Breeze Crosswinds here, and then I put up a Hunter Low Profile 5 here. And now there's this thing here. This thing is a cheap piece of junk. It's brand new and it already has bearing noise. So that tells you a lot about quality, doesn't it? Either way, we're gonna go ahead and start it up on low. Light works, obviously. Low, medium, high, medium, low. It's got a little bit of a hum. You can already hear the bearing noise. Medium. You can hear it now for sure. It's that scratchy bearing noise that sounds like water running through pipes. Would drive me insane. And high. It's got kind of a startup sound. Too bad it's so cheap. Here's bearing noise. And we'll shut this thing off. Yep, garbage. China Pride at its best. Alright folks, enjoy.